What car sound is that? I want you to leave your answers in the comment section below. Yes, my friend, I took a challenge from my friend. He told me that if I am a race car guy, I should be able to know these cars from their sound. So I took the challenge, I took it up and said, I'm gonna make this video. And he's right here watching this video. So nah, I'm not gonna fail this. So I'm gonna be hopping on my PC, taking some challenges and see if I will get it right. Let's go, guys. YouTube, there should not be a copyright strike on my video, please. I'm not claiming any right over this video. I'm only making a reaction video. Let's jump onto it, guys. We have the M4, we have the Mercedes, and we have the Pagani. Right here, I was confused. At first, I was thinking it's a Mustang, but now it sounds like a Mercedes Benz. It's definitely not a Pagani. Is that how a Pagani sound? I don't know. I don't think so. It's definitely not a Pagani, and I would go with the Mercedes Benz. Yo, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Let's jump over to the second one. That's a Supra. That's a Toyota Supra. You see, I don't have to see if a Supra is there. It's definitely not a Mustang. It's not a Focus. Is that a Focus? It's a Supra. I'm a car guy, guys. Come on, leave this to me. We do this every day. Woo. Race car. I'll go with the Focus, the Ford Focus. Come on. It's even the Ken Block Ford Fiesta. I know these things, guys. I'm a car. That's a V12. Where's the Messi Elago? Lamborghini for you. Lamborghini. The best sounding car in the world. Give it to. Are you serious? Are you fucking kidding me? Huh? Damn, that sounds so much like a Lamborghini Murcielago. Sounds so much like a Lamborghini, guys. Oh, damn. Okay, let's jump to the next. Ooh. Is that the McLaren? I don't think it's the Bentley. I'm going with the Ferrari. Now. McLaren P1, guys. P1. How didn't I know this? I feel 2 right now. Got 3. I should know this car. Okay. You are correct. That's a Porsche. Of course. Drop in the comment below how many you have gotten so far. I want to know. Yes, I want to know how many, because you are making jest of me right now that I failed two. I failed two, gotten four. So how many have you gotten so far? Let's go. Porsche 911 G2 RS. Okay, let's go to the next. Damn. The Bugatti Chiron. I'm going with the Koenigsegg. The egg. Let's see. Yo, regular. I know the Bugatti has, base. Let's go to the next, guys. No time. Damn. I might not get this, but the Volkswagen. The Mazda. I knew I wouldn't get this. But I'm so pained about that McLaren. Let's go to the next, guys. If I get this wrong, come on, flog me. If I get this wrong, flog me. The Huracan. See. Watch me. If I get this right, subscribe. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. A car guy should know this. There's no how you call yourself a car guy and you don't know the Huracan, how it sounds. Even the Aventador has a high pitch, but that's a Lamborghini. Come on, that's a Lamborghini. Go subscribe. Yes, I've got it right. Go subscribe. Yeah. Over to the next. That should be an Aventador. Oh, LFA, Lexus LFA. Go subscribe. I've gotten 3 wrong right now. 3. So I'm doing well. I've gotten 3 wrong. So out of 10, that's 7. That's 70. Come on. How many did you get right? I want you to comment it below. How many did you get right? Leave that in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. If you want to know the answer to the first car, I'm going to be on the comment section to reveal that car to you. What car is that? So what is it? You know the drill. Give it up, subscribe, like, share to your friend. In the next video, I'm going to be revealing that particular result, so do not miss that. Yeah, peace. It's for those who got to this part of the video, so this is an hint for you. So what car is it?